Hiya, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a really simple notebook insert for the print your own books, like for Amazon KDP and Lulu and stuff. So I'm going to use Canva for this. You can create a free account and it's got loads of free resources to use. So you just want to make a custom size page and put in the size of the book you wish to make. You want to go to Elements and choose the line element. And I'm just going to drag this so it's the full width of the page. I'm going to drag it up to where I want the top line. So that's where the first line is going to be. And then I'm going to change the line's thickness because I think 4 is a bit too thick. So I'm going to put that down to 2. Then you can also change the colour of it. So I think black's a bit too harsh for a white page. So I'm going to just make it a dark grey. So then I am going to duplicate this. And depending on how big the page is, how big of the book you want it to be, depends on how many lines you want and how spaced you want them. For 6x9 inch book, I would say a good amount of lines is between 24 and 28. So I am just going to keep copying these till I get the amount I want. Then I'm going to drag the bottom one to where I want the last line to end up. So Canva does give you some guides that pop up. So you can use those. They'll want this one a bit lower than that. So then I'm going to select them all, then right click. Then I'm going to go space evenly and tidy up, and voila! It spaced them all evenly. So I just put them in place and that page is done. And this is just going to be the insert of the book. So just plain lined pages. Then you can duplicate the pages. Just keep doing this until you've got however many pages you want for your book. You can change the view of it. Once you've done a view, select them and then duplicate them multiple times at once. And just keep doing this until you get the amount of pages you want. So I tend to do about 120 pages for my notebooks. And then it's just saving it, which is just as simple. So you can go back to the other view and edit if you want different pages to have different things on it. So you go to share, download, you want to change the file type to the PDF print. And then when you go to download that, and then that'll give you the file to upload to Amazon KDP when they ask for the insert of your book. And that will just upload it and it will basically just show as each page being the lines. So that's for the really super simple notebook. You can pretty much do the exact same thing, but just do some little tweaks and then you can create loads of different styles of books. So for this one, again, using the lines. But you don't have to use a plain line. There's dotted lines and stuff as well. So there's lines with the dashes, smaller dashes, and then dots. And again, you don't have to have really thin lines if you don't want to. There's loads of different colours you can choose. There's even ones with gradients. So one end of the line is a different colour from the other. So you can do loads of different colour combinations. So you can create a nice colourful book if you wanted to. It doesn't have to be a boring one. Yeah, so this one I thought I'd try out a rainbow theme. So I am just going to do each line a different colour of the rainbow. And then I'm going to be repeating it. And that's the basis of these books. And then you can repeat it so many different times with different designs. You don't have to do lines either. You can there's so many other elements here, and you can do what is a nice kind of style is to start the lines maybe halfway, so you've got the top half where you can draw, and then the bottom half you can do lines. You can create diaries and everything in this, bullet journals, so many different things you can create on here. So it doesn't just have to be notebooks, but these are just like the really simple ones. And you don't have to have every page the same either. So you can design one page and then add more pages, but add them blank. And you can either have different coloured pages, or you can just have completely different designs, like have one page that's lined, one page that's plain, one page just maybe got a calendar or something on it, or a tracker, some sort of tracker. Do what you like. You can also add things to the lined pages as well. So a couple of ways you can do this is, again, with the elements, type in what you want, what you're looking for. If you're not quite sure, you can just browse a whole load of things. And you can use the graphics. If there's a little kind of crown, I think it's meant to be, next to it, that's part of the premium service, which you have to pay for. But the ones without it you can use for free. So you just click on any of the elements you want to use. You can resize them and stuff. So I was just going to use this rainbow, but I want it in the background. So you'd be writing over it. So there you can turn down the transparency, so you can just about see it. Right click again, go to layer, send it to the back, and then it's behind the lines as well. So it's kind of like a background image. So that's one way you can use the graphics. Another way is you can literally just plop them on top of the lines, like have a little graphic in the corner, just to bring something to the page. Just a bit of colour, bit of fun to the page. So you can have it in one of the corners. And that's it. So it saves the exact same way. If you did want to do different styles of page for each page, all you have to do is go to the bottom and click add page, and then you can add it and start a new page. So you just keep doing that, and page 1 will be page 1 of your book, and so on. So the way you're doing it, that's the order it will be in your book, and it will save nicely for you to upload then to another website. So hope you understood it and it was explained okay, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.